Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video guys, I have a new foundation from Revolution. Their new range, I would say. It's like rebranded or something, or it's just totally, whether they're gonna move on to this SSL Revolution, I don't know. They have everything. The three things I think I need, that's what I actually also picked. I picked a foundation, concealer, and face primer here. So the prices for the foundation is £15. The concealer is £10, which their previous concealer is about £6. Then the face primer I picked is £12. When I was there, they also gave me a bag, gift bag. We will just leave the gift bag, so you and I will open it together on separate video. Here's the primer. There you go. Okay, quick fix. Put some here. Some here. I didn't know it was this color, to be honest. Okay, I will just use this brush because I have cream my hand. My hand was so dry. I'll use this brush to just that be on my face. Here's the foundation. My shade is FX 14.7. Okay, here's the bottle. So this is their new logo now for this new range. Okay, right. We will shake. It's two separate foundation they actually released, right? But each one is 55 shades, and this one I picked because of my oily skin. I picked the matte one, which because I have oily skin. I might also do a test where it's exactly 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Oh, it be here. Hopefully I got a right shade. The primer is instant retouch for perfect matte base. On silk finish with liquid skin foundation, full coverage for flawless complexion. Infused with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Picking something online is so dodgy. The coverage, I like it. I like the coverage so far. You see, this is the back side of my face. I would say the back side here, this side that is truly rough. I like the coverage. I like the finishing. So on my forehead, I will apply a bit more. At this time, I will just kind of dab because it just matte. Look. Again, my concealer, like I mentioned before, here's the concealer. Like you all know, I like my under eye to be bright. So I will shake. I'll start from here. Easy to blend. Wow. Okay, I'll just contour a bit. I'll use the Juvia's Place to contour. Little bit, just here and here. This is Revolution setting powder. I just pour it in here. I have said this before. Just do a reverse contour. To dust everything out, I'll use my face powder, Mant face powder. This is Sasha face powder. If you haven't checked the video out of this, when I use this to bronze my face, go and check that video out. It's their new bronze. Okay, for my bronze, I will use this. What shade am I? Dark. I should have not contoured there, but it's still good. For my highlighter, I'll use this very one here, Gold Digger from Primark. My NYX. Marinate everything together around here. Okay. Now let's spray. All night long from Barry M. I've done everything that I need to do when it comes to these 3 products I picked. So good so far. I don't have anything bad to say. It is 25 to 4, so 35 minutes to do all this. Okay, 25 to 4. Now it's 8:15, so I have got this foundation on for at least 5 hours. But as you can see, I barely have crease. Yeah, now I'm ready to take this makeup off. I'll come back to do a final check with you guys. All right, Trua. Okay, guys, I am back. It's now 11:45 at night. So I have got this foundation on. When I started doing this, this foundation today, it was 3 p.m. Okay, 3 p.m. The new foundation from Revolution. Guys, I don't know what is going on here with this foundation, whether it's the primer, I don't know what it is. This foundation reminds me so much of Estee Lauder Double Wear. My sister loved that foundation so much. Guys, look, since 3:30, it's now 11:45. You see my face? I have been talking, I have made multiple video today. I have been yapping, guys, smiling and laughing. This foundation is nearly 9 hours or over 9 hours. Look, since 3:30 to 11:45. Have you seen? Look at here. It just barely, just here, you can see separation. Here is next to nothing. I'm wearing this to work tomorrow. I'm telling you guys, here, absolutely nothing, no crease at all. Guys, on my forehead, it's shining through slightly, but nothing major. Even when I squeeze my eyes like this, there is no crease. This foundation is a winner. It's 15 pounds. I think we'll find our guy. I like this. The concealer, I put it away. Like I have shown you the concealer. I love it. The primer I choose, I love it. I don't have anything. First time I don't have anything bad to say. Like 10 out of 10, guys. I like this foundation. Get it from Superdrug because they always made their product available in Superdrug. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. I want you to follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeup Time with Julia. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my very next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video. Bye bye, guys. Good night and God bless wherever you are.